SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to scan a QR code on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've encountered QR codes in places like restaurants or retail stores, and you would like to be able to interact with those codes, then it's possible to do so with the default camera app on your iPhone. However, you first need to make sure that a certain option is enabled. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the camera option from this menu, and then you just need to find the Scan QR Codes item here. Now you can tap the button to the right of it to enable it, so now you're ready to scan a QR code. So if you go back to your home screen, then you can find the camera app icon on the home screen and then tap it to open it. And then you just need to make sure that the camera app is in photo mode, which you can select with the slider at the bottom of the screen. So once you're ready, just get a QR code and then you can position it in the viewfinder, and then your iPhone is going to be able to recognize that QR code, and then you're going to see a little orange link pop up below it. So you can just tap on that link, which is going to open that page in Safari so that you can interact with the content displayed by the QR code. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.